Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm show you YouTube Music Recap 2024. So simply open your YouTube and click on profile. Look here, but not showing here to my recap. So I'm provide how can get this. So simply if you want to using Android, go to your Play Store, or you can using iPhone, so go to App Store and find here to YouTube Music. So you need to just install these apps. Now I'm already installed, so click on to open and login, then click on to profile, and then showing here to your recap, just click on, then you can easily get your recap. Click on to find. So that's it.